Hi guys, so this is another video to help you if you're in the process of applying for Google Connect 2020. There's a couple of things you need to keep in mind. You need to make your under 60-second video. You need to create a list, which is this current video I'm showing you now. So I have this location on Google Maps. I have brought out the little extra menu here. I already have it saved, but if you click on save and do a new list and call it the name you would like, peaceful spots in Birmingham. I didn't spell that right. Birmingham. Okay, so that is there. I create it, so now that is saving, and that's saved. So now that has become a list. You'll see here, and as we go through to other locations, we can easily go through and add more locations into this list. So if I go back and pick another spot, Sunset Park. Again, it's saved in another list, but I'm saving it into peaceful spots in Birmingham. So that is my list created there. When you go into your pull out menu, you can go to your places and look at saved, and you'll see your peaceful spots there is set at private. You can click on the settings and make it not private by doing sharing options and do public. And that is your link that you would copy and put into your application. I'm hoping this quick video helps you to set your lists that you need to create for the Google Connect application. Make sure to check out the end cards. We have got the additional playlists to show you what the videos need to be like, and I'll do a last one for the post which you need to put into the Local Guides Connect website.